Hi, I am Srishal Anjaya. In this video, I am explaining about 9th class mathematics, chapter number 2, polynomials and factorization, exercise 2.5 problems. So, this one, exercise 2.5. So, first bit, use suitable identities to find the following products. First one, x plus 5 into x plus 2. So here x plus a and x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the algebraic identity, one of the identity. So by using this identity we can find the product of these two numbers x plus 5 and x plus 2. So x square plus a plus b. A means here 5, b means 2. So 5 plus 2 into x, next a into b. So 5 into 2. So x square plus 5 2s are 5 plus 2 7x plus 5 2s are 10. Therefore final answer here x plus 5 into x plus 2 equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. This is the final answer. So next one, x minus 5 into x minus 5. So x minus 5 into x minus 5, x minus 5 into x minus 5 equal to x minus 5 whole square, x minus 5 whole square. So since a minus b into, for example, a minus b equal to a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a equal to x, b equal to 5. So a square means here x square plus b square 5 square minus 2 into ab. So a means here x into b 5. So x square plus 25 minus 5 2s are 10x. Therefore x minus 5 into x minus 5 equal to x square plus 25 minus 10x. This is the final answer. Next one, bit number 3. So a 3x plus 2 of 3x minus 2. So since a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This is the algebraic identity. So here a equal to 3x, b equal to 2. By using this identity, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A means 3x square, 3x whole square minus b means 2 whole square. So 3x square 9x square minus 2 2s are 4. So therefore final answer 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 equal to 9x square minus 4. Next one, question number 4, x square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. So here a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Use this identity. So here a equal to x square, b equal to 1 by x square. Next one, substitute these values in given identity. Here x square, a square means x square whole square, a means here x square minus b means here a 1 by x square whole square. So x power 4 x square whole square, x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. Therefore x square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square equal to x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. X power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. Next one. This is the fourth question answer. Next one, fifth one. 1 plus x into 1 plus x. So a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the algebraic identity. So here a equal to 1, b equal to x. A equal to 1, b equal to x. So substitute these values in this identity. So 1 whole square plus x b means x square plus 2 of 1 into x equal to 1 square 1 x square plus 2x. 2 into 1 2 into x 2x. So therefore 1 plus x into 1 plus x equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the final answer. Next one, bit number 2. So bit number 2, second bit. So evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. Without actual multiplication. First question 101 into 99. Question number 1, 101 into 99. So 101 into 99. 101 into 99. So 101 we can write 100 plus 1 into 99 we can write 100 minus 1. So here a plus b into a minus b. So since a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This is the algebraic identities. Here a equal to 100, b equal to 1. Substitute these values in this identity. So a square 100 square minus b square 1 square. 100 square 10,000 minus 100 into 100. So 10,000 minus 1. So 10,000 minus 1. 10,000 minus 1 equal to 9,999. 9,999. Therefore 101 into 99 equal to 9,999. This is the product of 101 and 99 without actual multiplication. Next one, bit number 2, 999 into bit number 2, bit number 2, question number 2. Question number 2, 999 into 999. 999 into 999. So 999 we can write. So 1000 minus 1 into 1000 minus 1. So a minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a minus b equal to a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A minus b into a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a equal to 1000, b equal to 1. Substitute these values in this identity. So 1000 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 of 1000 into 1. 1000 square, here we have 3 zeros. So write these 3 zeros. Square means double. You can write double times of these 3 zeros. So 6 zeros. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, 1000 whole square equal to 10 lakh plus 1 minus 2000 into minus 2000 into 1 2000 minus 2000. First of all, subtract this 2000 from 10 lakh. So 10 lakh minus 2000 plus 1. 10 lakh minus 2000. For example, write here 0 0 0 2. Here 0 0 0. Here 8 9 9. So 9,98,000 plus 1. 9,98,000 plus 1. 9,98,000 plus 1 equal to 9,98,000. Here write 1. So therefore 999 into 999 equal to 9,98,001. 9,98,001. 9,98,001. This is the final answer. So next one, bit number 3. Bit number 2, question number 3. So 50 whole 1 by 2 into 49 whole 1 by 2. So you can read as 50 and half, 49 and half. 50 and half into 49 and half. So 50 whole 1 by 2 into 49 whole 1 by 2. 50 whole 1 by 2 into 49 whole 1 by 2. So 50 whole 1 by 2, we can write 50 plus 1 by 2 into 50 minus 1 by 2. 50 minus 1 by 2. So a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So here a equal to 50, b equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 50, b equal to 1 by 2. So a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A square means 50 whole square plus b square 1 by 2 whole square. So 50 whole square, 5 square value 20, 25, 5 square value 25. We can write 2 zeros beside 25. Minus of means 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. So 25, 2500 minus 1 by 4. We can write it denominator 1. 2500 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Look, cross multiplication. 25 4s are 100. Write here 2 zeros also. 10,000 minus 1 by 4. 10,000 minus 1 by 4. So 9,999. 9,999. 10,000 minus 1. 2,500 into 4. Cross multiplication. 1 ones are 1. So 25,000, 2,500, 2,500 into 4, 10,000 minus 1. So 9,999 by 4. Therefore, so 50 whole 1 by 2. 50 whole 1 by 2. 50 whole 1 by 2 into 49 whole 1 by 2 equal to 9,999 by 4. 9,999 by 4. So this is the final answer. Next one, fourth question. Question number 4. $501 into 501. So 501 we can write 500 plus 1 into 500 plus 1. So a plus b into a plus b equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a equal to 500, b equal to 1. So a square 500 whole square plus b square 1 square plus 2 into a means 500, b means 1. 500, so 5 square value 25, right? 4 times of 2 zeros, sorry 2 times of 2 zeros, 4 zeros. So 25 here 2,50,000 plus 1 plus 25 to the, sorry 500 to the 1000, 1000 1 the 1000. So 25 2,50,000 plus 1000, 2,51,000, 2,51,000, 2,51,000. So plus 1 equal to 2,51,001. Therefore 501 into 501 equal to 2,51,001. $2,51,001. So this is the final answer. Next one, question number fifth one, question number 5. So 30.5 into 29.5, 30.5 into 29.5. So 30 plus 0.5, 30 plus 0.5, 30.5 into 30 minus 0.5. Here a equal to 30, b equal to 0.5. So a plus b into a minus b equal to a square, this one a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a equal to 30, so 30 square minus 0.5 whole square. 30 square value, 3 square value 9, right here 2 zeros. 900 minus 5, first of all square of 5, 5 square value 25. Okay, after put a point 2 digit, put a point after 2 digit, 0.25. 900 minus 0.25, 900 minus 0.25. So 8,999.75, 8,900, sorry 899, 899.75, 899.75. Therefore 30.5 into 29.5, 30.5 into 29.5. So 899.75. This is the final answer. So next one, bit number 3, third bit. So factorize the following, bit number 3, factorize the following using appropriate identities. So first one, bit number 3, first one, 16x square plus 24xy plus 29y square plus 29y square. So 16x square we can write 4x whole square plus here 9y square, this one 9y square. So 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. Write this one 3y whole square. So we know x and y value. So we know a and b value. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a means here 4x, b means 3y. Okay, once again check it. 4x square means 16x square. Next one, 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 12. Sorry, 8 3s are 24. Sorry, 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24xy plus 9y square means 3y whole square. So a square plus 2 into a into b, 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. This is the algebraic identity. So a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a equal to 4x, b equal to 3y. Therefore 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square equal to 4x plus 3y whole square. This is the final answer. 4x plus 3y whole square. Next one, question number 2, third bit question number 2. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So 4y square I can write 2y whole square. Next one, here 1 whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a means here 2y, b means 1. B means 1. So a square plus b square. We know these two values. 2y whole square means a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So since a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a equal to 4y, sorry, a equal to 2y, b equal to 1. Therefore, sorry, a equal to a minus b whole square equal to 2y minus 1 whole square. Therefore, 4y minus 4y, sorry, 4y whole square minus 4y plus 1 equal to 2y minus 1 whole square. This is the final answer. 2y minus 1 whole square. Next one, bit number 3. So question number 3. 4x square minus y square by 25. 4x square minus y square by 25. So 2x whole square. 4x square we can write 2x whole square minus y by 5 whole square. So a whole square minus b whole square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So here a equal to 2x, b equal to y by 5. B equal to y by 5. So substitute these values in this identity. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means 2x plus y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. Therefore 4x square minus y square by 25 equal to 2x plus y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. 2x plus y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. Next one, question number 4. So 18a square minus 50. 18a square minus 50. So 2 taken as a common 2. So 9a square, 2 9s are 18 minus 25. 2 9s are 18 minus 25. 2 into 9a square, 3a whole square, we can write 3a whole square minus 5 whole square. 3a whole square minus 5 whole square. So 2 of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here a equal to 3a, b equal to 5. A equal to 3a, b equal to 5. So 2 of a plus b into a minus b. 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. Therefore 18a square minus 50 equal to 18a square minus 50 equal to 2 of 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. This is the final answer. Next one, question number. Okay, next fifth question, exercise 2.5. So x square plus 5x plus 6. So x square plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3 into 2. X square plus, this is the middle term splitting method, or identity x plus x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b equal to x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab plus ab. So here a equal to 3, b equal to 2, or a equal to 2, b equal to 3. As your wish, we can take a equal to 3, b equal to 2. So substitute these values in this identity. So x plus a means here 3 into x plus b means 2, x plus 2. So therefore x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to x plus 3 into x plus 2, x plus 3 into x plus 2. Next one, question number 6. 3p square minus 24p plus 36. 3 taken as a common, p square minus 3 8s are 24, so 3 8p plus 3 12s are 36. So 3 into p whole square minus 6p, plus here minus 6p, minus 6p, next one minus 2p, minus 6p, minus 2p, minus 6p, minus 2p, sorry. So 3 taken as a common, p square, p whole square minus 6p, next one minus 2p, total minus 8p, plus of minus 6p into minus 2p, minus 6p into minus 2p. So p whole square means p square minus 6p minus 2p minus 8p, next one plus minus 6p into minus 2p minus of minus plus 6 2s are 12, p into p square, don't write here p, just to minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12. So 3 of p square, 3 of p square plus minus 6p minus 2p minus 8pl. So next one plus of minus 6 into minus 2, minus 6 into minus 2. So 3 of p square plus of minus 6 minus 2 of p plus of minus 6 into minus 2. Here x equal to p, next one a equal to minus 6, next b equal to minus 2. By using x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the algebraic identity. Substitute these values. So x equal to p, so p plus a means here minus 6, p minus a into p minus 2, p minus a into p minus 2. Therefore 3p square minus 24p plus 36 equal to p minus 6 into p minus 2. This is the final answer. Okay, next one, bit number 4, fourth bit number 4, question number 1. So x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So this question in the form of this identity a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, or 2 taken as a common a square, or a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 of ab plus bc plus ca, ab plus bc plus ca by using this identity. So here a equal to x, b equal to 2y, c equal to 4z. Substitute this value in this identity. So a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square, first one x whole square, next plus b square, so 2y whole square plus c square 4z whole square plus 2 of ab, a means here x into b value 2y plus bc 2y, c value 4z plus ca 4z, a value x. So x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 2 of 2 into xy 2xy plus 2 4s are 8 yz plus 4 into zx 4zx. Next one x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 xy, 2 8s are 16 yz. Next one 2 4s are 8 zx, 8 zx. This is the final answer. So next one, question number 2. So 2a minus 3b whole cube, 2a minus 3b whole cube. Since a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a plus b, a minus b minus 3ab of a minus b, or another formula a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus into plus minus 3a into a square b minus of minus plus 3a b square. So by using this identity, here a equal to 2a, b equal to minus 3b, or x equal to 2a, y equal to minus 3b. So here take as x minus y whole cube equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, 3xy square. So substitute these values in this identity. So x a cube means here x cube, 2a whole cube, x cube. So a cube, x cube means here 2a whole cube minus b cube minus y cube means here minus 3b whole cube minus of plus 3b whole cube. Next one minus 3x square y, minus 3 into x square, 2a square into y, y means here 3b. Next one plus 3xy square, x means here 2a, y square 3b whole square, 3b whole square. So 2a cube means 2 cube value 8, 8a cube minus 3 cube value 27 b cube. Next one minus 3 of 2 square, 2a whole square, 4a square into 3b. Next plus 3 of 2a into 3b whole square, 9b square. 8a cube minus 27b cube, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36 12 3 36 a square b. Next one 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54 plus 54 a b square. This is the final answer. So next one, question number 3. Question number 3. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square equal to a plus b plus c, x plus, given question in the form of in terms of ABC. So we can write identity x in terms of x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So plus 2 of xy plus yz plus zx, xy plus yz plus zx. This is the identity. Since here x equal to minus 2a, y equal to 5b, z equal to minus 3c, substitute these values in this identity. So x square minus 2a whole square plus y square 5b whole square, next plus z square minus 3c whole square plus 2 of xy, x means here minus 2a into y 5b, next plus 2 of xy, next yz means 5b into z means here z means minus 3c plus zx, so minus 3c into x value here minus 2a, x value minus 2a. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 of xy yz plus zx. So minus 2a whole square means plus 4a square. Next one 5b whole square minus 2a whole square means minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4a square. So 5 5 is 25b square. Next one minus 3c whole square means plus 9c square plus 2 of minus into plus minus 5 2s are 10ab minus 10ab. Next one 5 3s are 15 minus 15bc minus 15bc. Next one minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6ac. So next one 4a square plus 25b square plus 9c square plus plus into minus minus 20ab plus into minus minus 15 2s are 30bc. Next one 10 2 6 are 12 plus 12ac. So this is the final answer. Question number 3. Next one. Question number 4. Question number 4. Bit number 4. Question number 4. This one bit number 4. Question number 4. So a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. A by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. So since x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 of xy plus yz plus zx, yz plus zx. So here x equal to a by 4, next y equal to b by 2 minus b by 2, c equal to z equal to 1, So substitute these values. So x value a by 4 whole square plus y value minus b by 2 whole square plus z value 1 whole square plus 2 of xy. So here x equal to a by 4 into y value minus b by 2 plus yz minus b by 2 into 1 minus b by 2 into 1 plus zx 1 into x value a by 4. So a by 4 whole square, so a square by 16. Next one plus b square minus b whole square means minus b by 2 whole square, b square by 4, b square by 4. Next one 1 square value 1 plus 2 of a minus into plus minus ab by 4 to the 8. Next one minus into plus minus b by 2. Next one plus 1 into a by 4. Next one a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 plus 2 into minus a minus plus into minus minus 2ab by 8 plus into minus minus 2b by 2 plus into plus plus 2a by 4. So therefore a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1, 2 1s are 2 4s are, so minus ab by 4. Next one 2 get cancelled, b by 1. Next one 2 1s are 2 2s are plus a by 2. This is the final answer. Next one bit number 4, question number 5. So p plus 1 whole cube equal to, so a plus b whole cube, since a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3ab square. This is the algebraic identity. So here a equal to p, b equal to 1. So 1 p whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 3 into a square means p square, b means 1, 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3ab square means 3 into p into b square 1 whole square. So p cube plus 1 plus 3p square into 1, 3p square plus 3p into 1 square, 3p. Therefore p plus 1 whole cube equal to p cube plus 3p square plus 3p plus 1. This is the final answer. Next one. So next question number 6th. Question number 6. X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. So a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, next plus 3ab square plus 3ab square. So here a equal to x, b equal to 2 by 3y or 2y by 3. So substitute this value. A cube x whole cube minus b cube 2 by 3y whole cube. Next minus 3a square, so 3x whole square, b means 2 by 3y plus 3 into ab square, a means x into b square 2 by 3y whole square. So x cube minus 8 by 27y, 8 by 27, 2 cube value 8, 3 cube value 27y minus 3 square, 3 get cancelled, so minus x square minus 2x square, here 2x square y minus 2x square y. Next one here plus 3 into x into 2 square value 4, 3 square value 9, y square. So x cube minus 8 by 27y minus 2x square y. So here 3 1s are 3 3s are, so plus 4x y square